In this Vox AI review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to turn any URL into a high quality audiobook or podcast and then publish it on any marketplace. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Vox AI, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says leverage ChatGPT-4 AI model to create unlimited audiobooks and sell them to 2.3 million users. ChatGPT-4 powered AI app turns any keyword into a high quality audiobook or podcast, then publish it to our marketplace with 2.3 million users, making us $386 daily without recording anything, without writing scripts. So here's the thing. Do I believe that this will actually turn text and everything and URLs and all these things into audio? Yes. Do I believe it's making them $386 daily? No. I don't believe that. So they've got, if you watch the sales video and everything, they talk about how they've already got users making full-time income from this. I don't believe that. I really need to see like real proof to be able to believe that. However, I do believe that the software will do a lot of what it's talking about here. You can create your first audiobook. You can turn any article, URL, PDF, or keyword into an audiobook. You can create a podcast with human voice without recording using the technology. Choose from 660 real human-like voices, 80 different languages, no complicated setup, and you can publish it on different marketplaces. So I believe that step one, you log into the software. Step two, you generate using a keyword, article, PDF, or even a URL. You select your voice, and then you can publish it out there. Now, the profit part of it, like Vox AI in like these little screenshots, I think this is all made up. Just so you know, you can create audiobooks, podcasts, you can create voiceovers, VSLs with it, and you can see, you can actually hear some examples of it. I'm not going to play it right here because I don't think it's going to come in right through my speakers, but once you get to the sales page, you can actually listen to hear what some of these actually sound like. Here's some testimonials. Like, I don't know, like Chester Stevens, is this a real guy? Did he really make $269 using Vox AI? I don't know. Did Jasmine make $3,593 in her first month using it? Like I'm very doubtful that these are real testimonials. So just be aware of that. If you're going to buy it, don't buy it because you think you're magically going to start making money. Buy it because you want the software that's going to do what it actually does. Just be aware of that. I think it's unnecessary to have these big income claims on these sales pages. I wish they would stop doing it. Now this compares it to other software out there that does similar things. So you can see a comparison chart of that where these software charge monthly. This is a small one-time fee for this. And you can use it with all these different softwares. You can take what you've created with it and use it in those different places. You can sell it as a service. So you can go and you can go on different places like Upwork and Fiverr and sell this as a service, do different things for different people and not have to actually even use your own voice for it. So I'm going to scroll down through most of this. You can look at this on your own time.
Jumbo. And before I forget, you can also upload your very own voice, and Vox AI will mimic it and generate any audiobook you want with your own voice. How cool is that?
Here we go. Let me get to the bottom of this. And okay, so if you purchase, you get access to the app, all these different things here. Plus, it looks like there's an add-on for $10, and it's some 1K a day audio marketplace upgrade, faster server, etc. It's an optional upgrade. However, what you will want to do with this is make sure that you move your mouse away. You should be able to get a discount on this. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please hit that like button. Okay, I'm gonna play you a video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm gonna come back and show you the backend area, the OTOs, and the discounts.
Sensitive information ahead.
You're about to witness the power of AI while it overtakes a $5 billion monopoly. Take a look at this. Yes, that's a payment of $386.34 that I just received directly in my bank account. Want to know what I did to get this? Well, nothing. Let me explain. I leverage an AI natural language model way better than ChatGPT-4 to create and narrate audiobooks and podcasts for me. But that's not all. I use the same app to market these audiobooks to 2.3 million active users in different niches. How? By using our groundbreaking app, Vox Ai. Vox Ai is the only app on the market that'll allow you to turn a URL, website, blog, text, article, PDF, Word document, or even a keyword into high-quality audiobooks, podcasts, or voiceovers without you doing anything. That's right. No writing scripts, no recording anything, and no researching anything. And all it takes is 60 seconds or less. How? By leveraging an AI natural language processor 10 times better and faster than ChatGPT-4. But that's not all. With Vox Ai, you'll be able to publish your audiobook to our built-in marketplace with over 2.3 million active users. This will allow you to start selling your audiobooks and keep 100% of the profit. And if you're thinking, why would you even create an audiobook? Let me tell you this. The audiobook industry is estimated to be worth over $5 billion, and it's growing every single day. It's an underestimated gold mine, and today you have the chance to capitalize on it with Vox Ai. Here, let me show you how powerful it is. I was able to generate $2,835.23 in just 16 days from selling audiobooks inside the built-in marketplace. And every day, I get sales like this. And the best part is, I didn't have to do much work to get the result. I didn't have to pay for ads, write scripts, or market the audiobook. Vox Ai did that for me on autopilot. But not just me, we have hundreds of active members who make a full-time income by using Vox Ai to generate audiobooks, podcasts, and VSL. And here's the beauty of it. With Vox Ai, you get to choose from over 660 different human-like voices and accents, with the feature to control the pitch, tempo, effects, and volume. But it gets better. Vox Ai doesn't restrict you to English only. Unlike anything on the market right now, Vox Ai gives you 80+ different languages to choose from. This means you can conquer and dominate any market with ease without paying monthly or dealing with any technical mumbo-jumbo. Oh, and before I forget, you can also upload your very own voice, and Vox Ai will mimic it and generate any audiobook you want with your own voice. How cool is that? Vox Ai is not all about audiobooks. It can do so much more than that. You can also use Vox Ai to create your own podcast that you can publish to any platform you want. Spotify, Audible, YouTube, Apple Podcasts, or to our built-in marketplace. You can use Vox Ai to generate ad voiceovers, course voiceovers, webinar voiceovers, VSL voiceovers, podcasts, audiobooks, and much more. Basically, if you want to narrate anything with 100% human-like voice, then Vox Ai is for you. And here's the kicker. Vox Ai will even write all the scripts for you, for your ads, courses, VSLs, and more, using the built-in Siri-like voice command. You just tell it what you want to promote or what you want to narrate, and it'll create the script for you with our AI model and narrate it for you. Vox Ai works for everyone. Doesn't matter what you're trying to do online. It works for affiliate marketers, CPA marketers, e-com store owners, book publishers, product owners, coaches, video marketers, service providers, and hustlers who just want to make passive income. You don't need any special skills or experience to use Vox Ai. As long as you can follow dead easy instructions, you're good to go. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started with Vox Ai. Step 1, log in. Log in to Vox Ai cloud-based app. Step 2, generate. Enter a keyword, article, PDF, website, or even a URL, and Vox Ai will turn that into a full audiobook or podcast. Step 3, publish. Publish your new audiobook to our built-in marketplace with 2.3 million users. Step 4, profit. Yup, that's it. I'm sure by now you're asking yourself, how much is this going to cost me? Look, I'm going to be honest with you. I can charge up to $1,000 for it, and considering that we have 0 competitors, we can get away with that. But not just because we don't have competitors, but because we can give real, tangible results. Vox Ai will pay for itself in just a few days. But the thing is, I make enough money by using Vox Ai myself, and I'm going to continue to keep it up and running for many, many years to come. So I have no reason to overcharge you for it. So for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you full access to Vox Ai for a fraction of the price. Less than the price of a cheap dinner. This is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running Vox AI. But here's the catch. We put a lot of effort and care into each customer of Vox AI, which takes a lot of our time. So sadly, I'll have to limit the number of licenses I can give. After that, I'm raising the price to $997 per month. So you better act quickly and grab your copy while you can. Listen, right now you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you, to help them finally break through. And in the unlikely event that you fail to use Vox AI for any reason, we insist that you send us an email and we'll gladly refund you. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. Not just that, we'll send you a bunch of extra software as a gift for wasting your time. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below and get instant access to Vox AI Plus, an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $10,000. I'll see you inside.
Okay, so we're back. So this is the backend area here where you'll be able to create your different projects here and have everything all included inside of the backend so that you can just create everything in one place. They do have multiple upgrades. First one is unlimited. So if you want to have like premium features, unlimited audiobooks, podcasts, voiceover generation, all these different things. Now this is the unlimited version. However, you're going to want to move your mouse away. You get a big $120 discount. Again, I make less as an affiliate, so please hit that like button. Next one is they'll set it up for you. And they say start making $1,000 per day in sales and commissions. I don't know about that, but they'll set it up for you. Move your mouse away, you can get a $200 discount. Next one here is an automated version of it. You can move your mouse away and get a $20 discount. Then they've got another one here, which is looks like some kind of a faster money-making thing with this. I don't know. Move your mouse away and get a $20 discount. Next one here is they're going to drive you, looks like they're going to drive limitless traffic to you. They're going to send you traffic. So you move your mouse away and get a $100 discount. Got another one here where you can actually resell this, get the agency license and get a $100 discount if you move your mouse away. And then you get the reseller license. You can actually like resell just like instead of creating accounts where people just resell it, move your mouse away, get a discount. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Vox AI and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about this, it's pretty clear. I don't like these income claims. I don't believe them. This is just a tool. It's gonna help you to create these different audios. It's not gonna make you $1 million. What do I like about this? If you are looking for a tool that's gonna do these things, like take in a link or text and turn it into audio, if that's what you want, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Vox AI review. If you wanna take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.